Oh my god. Look at that. Look what we found. Nice. I don't know. Just that. To explore. What is that? Is that? What is it? Oh, I don't know. Oh. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Look at that frog. So cute. Ooh. Hello, little. Hello. It's nothing. It's just a frog. It's just a little frog. Mm-hmm. Let's explore more. Oh, I found another one. I found another one. Look at that. That's so cute. Mm. Mm. I catch a dragonfly. Hey, little one. Let's go. Oh, oh. No, no. Okay, let's go more. Mm-hmm. Listen to the beautiful sound and natural. Let's see what they doing. What they doing? Mm. They work all night, all day. Look at that. All little odd. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Do you see that? Cricky. What? Ooh, what's that? Ooh, little frog. Yeah. Do you see that? Wow, hello, little frog. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing, man? Hello, what are you doing, man? Look at that, so cute. So cute. Okay, let's go. Bye bye. I found another insects. Oh, do you hear that? Oh, I see. I see. I see. I see. That's one. Here, did you see that? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what? What is so nice? Look at that sound. Did you hear that? Little, little one. Are you okay? Are you okay, man? So nice. Okay. I found I found this nice guy. Ooh. Let's explore. Ooh, oh yeah, yeah. Oh. Yep. Oh, a lot of snail. A lot of snail. Did you see that? Did you see that? A lot of. I don't know how it's called, but it's so nice. It's so many of them around here. Oh, I found a little face. Look at that. Oh, nice. Nice one. Maybe sleeping. That's okay. Let's continue. Ooh. Face. Okay, give it. So many fish. Did it sleeping? Oh God. Okay, that's all of my explore today. Say thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe. Okay, see you for the next video. Bye bye.